Everyone talks about online businesses, but what if you could start making money in your local community this weekend with less than $500? I'm about to share 7 service businesses that are in high demand right now, require almost no startup cost, and can have you earning your first paycheck within days, not months. Here's why local service businesses are so powerful. People in your neighborhood need help with everyday tasks. They prefer hiring locally, and they'll pay you right away. No waiting for algorithms, no building an audience, no complicated tech. Just you, your skills, and customers who need what you offer. Let's dive into the 7 businesses. Number 1, house cleaning. This is probably the most in-demand service out there. You need basic cleaning supplies that cost under $100, and you can charge $50 to $150 per house depending on size. Start by offering your service to friends, family, and neighbors. Post in local Facebook groups. Once you get your first few clients, ask for reviews and referrals. The best part? Clients want regular cleanings, so you build recurring income fast. Number 2, lawn care and landscaping. If you can mow a lawn, you can start this business. A decent push mower costs around $200 used. Add a trimmer and basic tools, and you're under $400 total. Charge $30 to $60 per lawn, and you can easily do 8 to 10 lawns per weekend. That's $300 to $600 every weekend just for a few hours of work. Number 3, pressure washing. Here's a hidden gem. Driveways, decks, and siding get dirty, and homeowners hate doing it themselves. You can buy a quality pressure washer for around $300. Charge $150 to $300 per job, and each job takes 2 to 3 hours. Market yourself in neighborhood apps like Nextdoor and watch the requests pour in, especially in spring and summer. Number 4, pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, this is perfect. Startup cost? Practically zero. Maybe $50 for leashes, waste bags, and basic supplies. Dog walking rates range from $15 to $30 per walk, and pet sitting can bring in $50 to $75 per day. Sign up on Rover or Wag to get started, or create simple flyers for your neighborhood. Pet owners are desperate for reliable help. Number 5, handyman services. You don't need to be an expert contractor. Most homeowners need help with small repairs, furniture assembly, hanging pictures, or fixing loose handles. Basic tools cost around $200 if you don't already have them. Charge $40 to $80 per hour. Post your services on TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, or local community boards. Your phone will start ringing. Number 6, junk removal. People have stuff they need gone, and they'll pay you to take it away. You need access to a truck or large van, which you might already have or can borrow. Startup costs are minimal, maybe $100 for straps, gloves, and a dolly. Charge by volume or by job, usually $150 to $500 depending on the load. The kicker? You can often resell or recycle items you pick up for extra profit. Number 7, window cleaning. This one's underrated and highly profitable. A good squeegee, bucket, and cleaning solution costs less than $100. Charge $75 to $200 per house depending on the number of windows. Customers love this service because it's tedious work they don't want to do, and clean windows make a huge difference. Offer both residential and small commercial clients for steady work. Here's the key to success with any of these. Start local, deliver excellent service, and ask every happy customer for a referral. Word of mouth is your best marketing tool. You can have a thriving side business making an extra $1,000 to $3,000 per month within 60 days. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And check the link in the description for resources that can help you get started faster.